Okay, I'm going to show you how to test the output stage of your Janky Tape Echo. To get started, you're going to need to make sure that you've got an amplifier or an audio interface plugged into the output of your main PCB. You need to make sure that you've got a guitar or other instrument that you can plug into the test jack. The test jack then plugs into the playback header and the record header. The white wire here is going to the playback header and the black wire is going to the middle of the record header. You need to make sure you've got a foot switch, a momentary foot switch plugged into the remote jack here. And you need to make sure that the control board and the main board are connected together with a ribbon cable. I've got the control board just mounted on the inside of the enclosure lid. You need to make sure that the post gain setting over here is turned all the way down. You need to make sure that the level control is turned all the way up and that the tone control is turned all the way up. And what we should find is that we should get no signal when we power the board up. You can see here that I've got the board powered up and the Arduino is blinking, but we don't get any signal through. And that's because the effect starts bypassed. So what we need to do is depress and release the momentary foot switch, and then we should find we get signal. There we go. What you want to test is that as we turn down the tone control, that the treble rolls off, so it should become more dull sounding. Yep, that's what we're hearing. And that if you turn down the level control, that it gets quieter. There we go, and when it's all the way down, you'll get no signal through. There we go. You can test the post gain setting. If you turn that up, that should start to boost. If you turn it all the way up, it will boost a lot. So you probably don't want to turn it all the way up. But you can hear as I turn it up, it's getting loud. And I turn it back down again. And you want to leave it turned all the way back down. And that's it. That means that everything is working in our output stage. If anything hasn't worked as it should, if some of the controls don't respond correctly, or you're getting weak or no signal, then just look in the debug section of our written instructions on the website, and that'll give you some pointers as to how to go about tracking down what's wrong.